Hello everyone, and welcome to Café English Stories. Here we learn English through real daily stories that happen in a cafe. Every video is simple, clear, and practical. Today's story is about an unexpected moment at the cafe when the lights suddenly went out. Let's see what happened. It was a normal morning in the cafe. The sun was shining through the windows, and the place was filled with the aroma of fresh coffee. I was behind the counter, preparing drinks one by one. The bell above the door rang as the first customer of the day entered. Everything seemed ordinary. I started making the orders, a cappuccino here, a latte there, and a few black coffees. The cafe was lively with conversations, laughter, and the soft clinking of cups. Suddenly, without any warning, the lights went out. The machines stopped, the music stopped, and even the small lamps went dark. The cafe fell silent for a moment. Everyone froze, looking around to understand what had happened. I took a deep breath and said calmly, "It seems the electricity has gone out. Please wait a moment and we will continue shortly." People looked at me, some worried, some curious. I checked the drinks I had started preparing. One cappuccino was half done, a latte was waiting to be poured, and a few cups were still empty. I had to think fast. I opened the front door a little to let the sunlight in. It was not perfect, but it helped a little. Some customers smiled and whispered to each other. A child asked his mother why the lights were gone. Adults laughed softly. The cafe felt different, quiet but friendly. After a few minutes, the customers started talking to one another. Strangers exchanged small conversations, asking each other about their day. It was a strange, peaceful moment. Then, suddenly, the lights came back on. The machines started again with their familiar sounds, and the music played softly in the background. Everyone clapped lightly and smiled. I quickly finished the remaining drinks. I made sure each order was correct this time. Cappuccino, latte, black coffee, just as the customers wanted. I apologized for the delay, and everyone was understanding. By the end of the morning, the cafe returned to normal. The unexpected blackout had caused a small pause, but it also reminded me how important it is to stay calm and polite. Mistakes and interruptions can happen, but handling them with calmness makes the difference. I cleaned the counter, smiled at the last customers leaving, and thought to myself, even a small, unexpected event can teach something valuable. The cafe was lively again, and I was ready for whatever the day might bring next. What happened in the cafe was more than just a blackout. It was a small moment that showed how staying calm and speaking clearly can make any unexpected situation easier to handle. Let's see how we can use this in our English. In life, unexpected situations can happen any time. At work, at home, or even in a cafe, something may go wrong. The lights may go out, a machine may stop, or a customer may be confused. The important thing is not what happens, but how you respond. Staying calm is the first step. When something unexpected happens, take a deep breath and speak slowly. Panic or rushing only makes the situation more difficult. Calmness shows confidence and helps others feel safe and understood. Next, use simple and clear sentences. Explain the situation in a few words. For example, if the electricity goes out, you can say, "The lights have gone out. Please wait a moment. The machine stopped working. I will fix it quickly." Politeness is also very important. Always say please and thank you when addressing others. A small apology goes a long way. "I am sorry for the delay. Thank you for your patience." Observe the people around you. Sometimes they may be worried or confused. Your calm words and actions can help them feel comfortable. Finally, remember that mistakes and unexpected events are normal. They happen to everyone. The key is to communicate clearly, stay calm, and keep the situation under control. Practicing this in English helps you become fluent. Fluency is not just about speaking fast or perfectly. It is about expressing yourself clearly in real-life situations, even under pressure. So next time something unexpected happens, try to stay calm. Speak slowly, use simple words, and be polite. You will see that communication becomes easier, and your confidence in English grows every day. Calm communication is a skill, and every small practice makes you better. All right. Take a deep breath and remember the moment when the lights went out in the cafe. Even in the dark, calm words and patience made everything easier. Unexpected situations will always happen in life and in language. But every time you choose to stay calm, speak slowly, and use simple words, you grow stronger in English. Notice how confidence begins in small, quiet moments. Fluency is not about speaking fast. It is about staying clear, steady, and calm. If you learned a new word or expression today, write it in the comments below. We would love to read your thoughts. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell so you don't miss our next cozy story. Thank you for learning with us, and see you in the next story at Café English Stories.